So, sir, today na June 12. Today na Democracy Day in Nigeria. So, I want to ask you whether are we practicing democracy in Nigeria or not?
My brother, to answer your question, we need to first of all understand what democracy is all about. It is knowing what democracy means that will enable me and everybody around here understand whether we are actually practicing democracy or we are just confessing it. Let me just say, for instance, what is democracy? Democracy, according to Abraham Lincoln, he said it is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Which is, it is the government that focuses on the will of those people that is led. It is the government that does whatever those people that elected them requires. It is not just, saying democracy. Democracy in Nigeria, my brother, I must say, is just a deception. We have never practiced it even a single day. We have never. No governor, no president, even right from the grassroots level to the apex level, none of them has practiced anything called democracy. So what I am saying is, if there is any country that has practiced democracy, it is not Nigeria. It is not in Nigeria. What I know that Nigeria is very good at is autocracy. Autocracy. Are you getting it? Autocracy is a government by which a person sits and controls the affairs of every other person. They think they are, in fact, in other words, you call them dictators. They dictate what happens from the community level down to the federal level. They are practicing autocracy. A situation you will now tell, or a leader will now, during that course of a political rally, they will come out and say, I will build here, I will in fact electrify everywhere, I will make everybody feel at home, I will build bridges where there is a little stream. They will say all those things. But let them win that position. They will tell you you don't have any say and you don't contribute to whatever they want to do. You don't have any reason to contribute. You see to it. So my own brother, there is nothing like democracy in Nigeria. Unless if God will come and establish the true democracy through the person he may choose to come and, be on that seat. That is when we will know what democracy is all about. For now, we don't know what it is. Okay. Me and you has never in this life tested democratic dividend. We have never. Sometimes like that you see in America now, you will claim to be president. You see a little child, stopping you. Mr. President, I think you are the one who said you will do this, you will do that. You will be answering that child. Nothing like, discriminating against the child, the child's age, or the status of the child. There is nothing like status in democracy. There is nothing like age in democracy. Whatever you did to Mr. A, that's what you will do to Mr. B. You understand? Look at in this very type of country where disparity takes the lead. It remains a small thing now for the poor ones not to eat where the rich ones are eating. Just what happened in South Africa then, when the white discriminated against the blacks, they said the blacks will not come to shop where the whites are shopping in South Africa. What brought about what we call apartheid? That's brought about what we call apartheid, racial apartheid. That's what we are practicing. There is what we call rich people apartheid against the black, the poor ones. You understand? So that kind of nonsense, as far as it is still in existence in Nigeria, there is nothing like democracy.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sorry, sir. I have my good words in the mouth. Look at have you recently followed the court proceedings of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the federal government of Nigeria? You know, there are other figures that are pinpointed that they did more than what Nnamdi Kanu did, but they kept him behind the bar, leaving those people to go around freely, uninterrupted. Does it mean democracy? Democracy, is it a situation whereby, okay, the very right you have will be denied you? It will be given to someone you know you are better off 1 million times. What are we saying? Is that democracy? In fact, there are many things I supposed to point at, but time could not permit me. So let me just draw my curtain here. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very